Hi everyone, it's me Saif and welcome to our YouTube channel. It's time to learn some data science libraries in Python. Well, let's get started with Numpy library. Every data scientist must learn Numpy for these 4 reasons. Number 1, Numpy stands for numerical Python. It allows you to work with an array data structure. Well, why should you learn array data structure? Here is the thing. Array data structure is more memory efficient than other data structures such as list. Specifically, guys, it is 10 times faster than list data structure which we have learned till now. And it's great to deal with large amount of data set. In addition, array data structure can be indexed and sliced and it's very popular for manipulation of the data. Number 2, NumPy arrays are particularly designed for numerical computations, and it includes built-in functions for mathematical operations in linear algebra, Fourier transformations, and many other mathematical operations that are not available in other data structures. Well, this makes it particularly useful for dealing with large amount of data set, especially where numerical computation might be required for many cases. Number 3, a lot of powerful packages such as Pandas, scikit-learn, and many other machine learning libraries are built based on NumPy. Well, NumPy array data structure is like the foundation of many other libraries. Number 4, NumPy can be used to generate random numbers from many probability distributions. Well, it has NumPy.random module that has many functions to generate random numbers from many distributions like normal, binomial, exponential, etc. Well, long story short, to play around with the dataset, NumPy is something you need to learn to get started. So guys, stay tuned with us in the next few videos to learn more about NumPy and many other data science libraries. By this time, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel to get at least one video in every single day of 2023 related to